Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video I am going to introduce you to Madam Glam's first love collection of 13 Builder Soak-Off Gels. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, so as I mentioned, this is Madam Glam's clear, or I should say Builder Soak-Off Gels. Here are the different colors that they currently have, 13 different colors in this category. Check them out, beautiful colors. And although they have come out with some builder gels before, this is a unique collection of its own. As you can see, here are the colors, and here's the card that came with it. Gives you a little bit information of, you know, the collection was inspired after. Okay, now I'm going to show you, do swatches on these, but let me show you the colors. I have 4 out of the 13 colors. I have the coral, the magenta, the white, and the aquamarine. So let me show you what they look like out of the bottle. And remember that these polishes are 9 free right here. Okay, here's a pretty bottle, and you see the name right underneath. So this one is the Builder Aquamarine. So they're all builder gels. Now, as you understand, the builder gels is more than just the color. This is not just a jelly gel polish. This is a builder gel, meaning you can do gel overlays to strengthen your nail, or you can actually structure or build a nail with a paper form with these builder gels. Okay, so they are a thick viscosity, as you can see here. Okay, hopefully this is catching it up. But these are a beautiful translucent formula that I love. I believe these are trending a lot now. So this one is the Builder Coral right there. Let me show you what it looks like out of the bottle. As always, Madam Glam's put their swatches on the very top. Beautiful coral color. This one goes on quite well. Yeah, depending on your skin tone, it could go on pretty transparent, almost like you can barely tell the color. Or again, depending on your skin tone, you may notice that coral color, the magenta, beautiful. Let me show you here underneath. And here's that beautiful color, beautiful jelly color. Yes, if you put this over clear tips, it will give the appearance of jelly nails. And here is the Builder White, which is very milky like. And I do have, so we're going to do swatches, but I'm going to show you my nails because I put these on my nails as a overlay on both of my hands right here. Sorry that I don't have a tutorial on this, but I wanted to do a Valentine's with my also Achalaco Cerradora brand new plates. So on these 4 nails, I have the magenta. Hopefully you can notice the translucency. So it almost appears as if, you know, changing colors there, because depending on the thickness or how much product you apply, it's how translucent it's going to be. I also have it on my thumbs. That on this nail, and I know you won't be able to tell, but I have the stripes. The white stripes are the stamp, and the background at the base color was my aquamarine, and somewhat appears to be a gray. On this nail, I use this one is the white. You can see my white tip. I also have the white on this nail. Yes, I put the white on this nail, and on this nail I use the coral. But I have already started, before I even did this video, I've used these on my clients and they absolutely love them, because I'm starting to introduce them to what a builder gel is for strength, which, and I believe, you know, it's better in my opinion. I prefer it over acrylic. And so I am going to leave you with pictures at the end with the designs that I did on my clients using these builder gels as well. Now let's go on and get to the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here is a close-up at these swatches, and these do cure tacky with the tacky layer. You have to finish them with the top coat if you wish to keep them like this with the translucent look. Absolutely beautiful. I really like working with these, and I personally did not experience any heat spike when I apply them on myself, and neither did my clients. I always, when I work with builder gels, I'm always conscious of that, make them aware just in case they experience any heat spike, and they said no, nothing. So that was really good. In some applications I use one coat, in some application, in other cases I use 2 coats. This sample that I did right here, this is 1 coat for each one of the colors, and you can see, I mean, you can see the variation of the colors from the white, magenta, coral, and that aquamarine. Very beautiful, somewhat of a minty color with that aquamarine there. Also guys, because you can use it as a base to reinforce your nails for, you know, for strength. You can go right over this with regular polish, another gel polish, or what have you. Okay, if you apply a regular polish, that allows you to change your color as often as you wish, and then you can remove it with a nail polish remover or acetone, and it will not hurt your builder gel at all. Or you can just put a gel color right on top of it. Okay, so that, and I also have a 30% discount code that I'll put that down in the description bar below, and I will scroll it on at the bottom of the screen as well, so you guys can click on that and check these out. Check out the beautiful collection. Look at all the colors that they have. Look at the yellow. Now these are the colors that they chose to send me. I didn't choose them myself, but I'm glad they did it. They did really good at picking colors that I do like, and I'm already enjoying these very much. So that is all I have for you guys. If you have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Madam Glam for sending me these gorgeous products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.